Mastering any. Unraveling its use in affirmative sentences with if. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to delve into a very specific, yet extremely important aspect of English grammar. Using the quantifier, any, in affirmative sentences that contain if. This might sound complex, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be using any and if together like a pro. Any is a quantifier we often use in English. It means, it doesn't matter who, which or what, and it is frequently used in negative sentences, questions, and after if clauses. Here's an example. If you see any errors in this text, please let me know. Here, any signifies that it doesn't matter what type of errors they might be or how many there are. If there are errors of any sort, the speaker wants to know. Normally, we don't use any in affirmative sentences, but there's an exception when the sentence contains if. When we use any in an if clause, it often means it doesn't matter which, or no matter what. For example, if you need any help, just ask me. This means that no matter what kind of help you need, you should ask the speaker. It emphasizes that the kind of help is not limited. Let's practice with some examples. 1. If you find any problems with the software, please report it to the support team. 2. If there's any way I can assist, don't hesitate to call me. 3. If you have any questions about the topic, please feel free to ask. See how any is used with if to indicate an open, unlimited invitation or request. It's your turn now. Try to create your own sentences using any with if in this way. And there you have it. We've just explored how to use any in affirmative sentences with if. Remember, practice is key when mastering any aspect of language learning, so keep using any with if in your English conversations and writings. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.